GameStop was trading around $40 per share this morning and closed after hours around $168 per share. AMC was at like $7 this morning and closed after hours above $11 per share. The gains have been huge. Everybody's excited. Is this the moment we've all been waiting for? Let's kind of talk about what we're planning for tomorrow morning, what we should see before, pre-market and then at the open, like what's going on here. If you've held your diamond hands, if you are holding the line, I guarantee the excitement is there. You guys know that this is the moment we've been waiting for, and we could really see these stock prices go to the moon. Now, in this video, we're going to kind of talk about like what the play is. If you're holding it, is it time to sell? Is it time to hold? Or if you're not yet in, is it time to get in? So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together, and we're just going to grow together. Now, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button if the subscribe button is still red. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, become a bro, and let's grow together. All right, now we know the main story of the day is GameStop. They were trading, and they've about 5x'd in the middle of aftermarket hours, and they closed up around a 4x. 300% gain just on today alone. This is a huge move, and this could be the moment everybody's been waiting for. But while everybody's talking about GameStop, don't forget about AMC. I know the gains weren't as big as they were in GameStop today, but we watched AMC go from around $7 per share this morning, and it's more than doubled just in the last couple of days alone. But let's talk about a couple exciting things that we're seeing in AMC right now. So over the last 4 days, we can see that volume is rising. Now, volume rising means that more people are trading more shares in this company. And we watched it go from around, I think it was a little bit below $5 per share a couple days ago. And now we're watching it top $11 per share. We've more than doubled our money just in the last couple days alone, but the rising volume is what really has me excited. As more and more people jump on board, as more and more shares become traded, the stock price could surge higher. Now, why is this $11 per share mark important? You can take the graph out and look at a 3-month graph. You don't need to go back that far on the graph, but if you check out a 3-month graph, you can see that this level of volume we're at right now is where we were right before the spike, or right before the price spiked up to about $20 per share. Now, this is significant because right now we're right there at that volume, and we're also at a level of resistance with this $11 per share mark. Now, here's what I'm going to like to see. If we break through $11 into the $12 range per share, if we break up to the upside on strong volume, if volume is rising and the share price is rising, we could absolutely see that $20 per share mark again. And even if we bust through that, the sky's the limit then, right? So if we see volume rising tomorrow, if we see the price rising, this is an excellent sign that we could really take off and watch AMC go to the moon. Now, does volume have to be astronomical? No. We're trading at around, I think the volume today was around 320 million shares traded, which is an excellent amount of shares traded, yes, but the peak volume back when the price was peaking before was around 1 billion shares traded. And obviously 1 billion shares is a very large amount, but we could absolutely see that a lot of people, their focus has been brought back. A lot of people thought the opportunity and the move was over, so they decided to move on to different things. Dogecoin gets a lot of attention, Sundial Growers gets a lot of attention, and the media really did a great job of transitioning everybody's focus from these stocks in a very quick way. I mean, think about it. As soon as all the media outlets started saying, oh, the guys have moved on, Wall Street Bets has moved on, nobody's investing in these stocks anymore, the stock price started to come down. Now that the focus is back on GameStop and back on AMC, what do we think should happen? The stock price should absolutely go back up. So here's what's going to happen. All of the traders who missed out on the opportunity before are going to see, well, the opportunity is still here. They're going to jump back onto it. That's going to increase volume. That's going to increase the share price. all the people that are holding, what are we going to do? We're going to hold. That's the game plan. Why is that the game plan? Because when you're talking about a short squeeze, which is exactly what's happening here, the institutions have to buy the shares back. And if nobody's willing to sell them, the share price has to go up because the institutions have to continue offering higher and higher prices until people are willing to sell them those shares. So guys, if you're still holding the line, let us know in the comments below. We love to see these diamond hands. Who still has AMC? Who still has GameStop? If you've been on board this entire time and you're experiencing this immense rally that we're going through right now, I know you have to be excited too. So show us your excitement down in the comments below. But where do we think the price could go? Could it reach $20 per share? Absolutely. We could open up higher tomorrow. You know, we could open up at the $13 range tomorrow if these gains continue and people realize what's going on here. We could open up at $13, $14 and shoot all the way back up to $20 per share. And really, once we bust through that resistance level at $20 per share, it's on, right? You know, everybody's going to say, there's not going to be anybody losing money at the $20 per share mark. Say you got in at the worst case scenario and you got in at that $20 per share mark. Once we hit that and once we break through, everybody's going to be profitable. And then those diamond hands can really just never let go, grasp on, and we can watch the stock price go to the moon. So do I think that AMC could reach $100 per share just like GameStop? Absolutely. If nobody's willing to sell and there's buyers out there that have to buy the share price back, that's exactly what can happen. The price will continue to rise and rise and rise until people finally start to say, all right, this is getting ludicrous. You know, we should really let go now. This is insane. But that's the whole thing, right? The diamond hands say we're holding forever, we're never letting go. You guys can just, you know, fall and fail. So that's what I'm excited about. These gains are astronomical. I'm absolutely loving it today. Share your story in the comments below. We love to see people who are making money in the stock market. And for everybody that thought the move was over, for everybody who thought that this had come and gone, and, you know, I don't want to call people names or anything, but for everybody who thought that we weren't intelligent for holding on to these shares and believing in the movement, prove them wrong in the comments below. And make sure to share this video too, because we do not want this to fall out and fall down like it did before, because we know exactly what the suits are going to do. We know exactly what these guys on Wall Street are going to do. They cheated last time. They're going to try to cheat again. We don't want to see this stock halted. We don't want to see trading suspended and limited because of volatility and all the other crazy reasons that these people came up with last time. So make sure to share this content. Get the word out there on what's happening. We cannot allow that to happen again. We cannot allow them to shut us down and stop the trading, because we know they cheated last time. They'll try to cheat again, guys. Don't let it happen. Now, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, do me a favor, guys. Subscribe to the channel, become a bro, and let's grow together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, maybe you don't have a brokerage account yet, or you're thinking about trading brokers, it's very easy to sign up with Webull, and there's a link in the description below. You're going to get a couple free stocks just for signing up and opening that brokerage account, and it's, you know, really going to help you out right off the bat to have those free stocks in your portfolio. Now, don't forget to share this video, guys, and if you do, tag me almost anywhere at ClayBro. I'd love to follow you guys back and really see what's happening and really see what everybody's excited about. And until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.